Let's do it.
Whew. That was a lot. That was a lot leading up to this. Whew.
Here we go.
All right.
Okay, ahoy sailors. Guess what? It's time to go cruising.
And time to pack.
Yes, so we're going to show you our Virgin Voyage packing essentials.
Our essentials. This is the stuff that we always take when we go on Virgin Voyages cruises. Yours might be different. We thought maybe, you guys might want to know.
It might give you ideas. It might just say, oh, that's what they pack.
We're going to show you guys some of the essentials that we pack for our Virgin cruises. If you are new to Virgin, you're like, what the heck do I pack?
What do I take?
I don't know what to take. There's theme nights. There's different things, parties going on. What the heck do I pack? What do I wear? So we're going to show you the things that we pack to maybe give you guys a better idea of what to take.
First off, this is mine. We have different responsibilities, okay? I'm usually in charge of electronics, which to us is an essential. Kelly's in charge of hygiene.
Which is also essential.
Which is also essential, yes. So first off, here we go. And this is what we got. I got all my charging equipment here. USB ports, clock, which it shines on the ceiling. We have a fan because we like the fan noise and I like the feel of the wind. Water bottle, must have. You got to have a water bottle because they do not sell water on board and you're not gonna have anything to carry water around in if you do not have a water bottle. You can buy a water bottle there, but bring one that you like. And I have my bathroom essentials. This is what I use. I take everywhere I go. And this is the outfit for the first party, pajama party. And then we have more to come. Outfit for the second party, We Fancy. Gold is the theme for We Fancy. And then third party, Scarlet Night. And of course that's self-explanatory. Scarlet is the order of the day. Then Bimini, float on party. You can't miss. This is a must-do. Is the float on party. Of course you got your little swim trunks or say bathing costume. And then we have a shirt that I like to wear because it's very airy and it gets wet and dries fast. Shoes to go with all three outfits. We Fancy, Scarlet, Beach. And the last and final party, which is usually the last night of the cruise, is the Studio 72 party, which is a disco party. So I have my disco threads here. And we like to take a laundry bag just for our soiled things, dirty.
Soiled?
So our dirties
Sounds bad.
are naughties. We're naughties but nice, and they're not like they're in the best condition of smell anymore. And we also we have supplements that we take every day. So we take this little daily supplement.
Old people organizer.
Yes, that's what it is, an old people organizer. I love it. That's so great. So basically that's my packing for Virgin Cruise. And then you have everyday outfits, which we don't need to show you because that would be on any cruise. This is just specifically Virgin.
So this is some of the stuff that I take since I'm in charge of hygiene. I like to put all of our stuff in like a plastic bag. We always take a throwaway scrunchie. You can get these in twos like at Walmart, in any drugstore, whatever. We take them. Virgin does have body wash in the showers. So we don't usually take our own, but we do take a scrunchie that we can throw away. I also have, stuff like my old people pill box. I have sunscreen spray for my scalp, razor, things like that. Any kind of bathroom essential stuff goes in there. And I also have this organizer, which has like my toothbrush and stuff. Some of the things that you may not think about that we take, Body Glide. If you got any kind of chub rub like I do, Body Glide, it's essential.
It is.
Yeah, so you don't chafe. Chafing is not cool.
Chafing is
especially after you've been at the pool. No pool chafing. We also take ibuprofen because, too many drinks equals headache. You don't want to have a headache. I also take some Tums in my bag and poo spray. You can't have matches on the ship, guys. Everybody poops.
This makes it better.
Yes, bring some poo spray.
This makes it better.
I also take some ginger candy just in case the seas get a little rough. Ginger helps with any kind of like uneasy tummy. Yes. Yeah. The other thing that we bring is a reef-friendly sunscreen.
Yes.
This one happens to be a roll-on instead of a spray. Make sure you bring reef-friendly sunscreen if you're going to the beach. I also, this trip, I'm gonna try these motion patches that go behind your ear. You used to only have to be able to get these prescription. Now you can get these on Amazon, really cheap. And some little meclizine things. If you don't bring meclizine, they do have them on the ship in the little ship's doctor's office. I also take a lint roller because we have 4 cats and our stuff gets linty. So
And it travels with
and
us.
it travels, yeah, it travels with you. So
The
I always
cat
take a
lint.
lint roller. I also take like a day bag. This is a big one. This is a small one. Depending on what you're doing, I usually put all of my stuff, you know, in like a little day bag, backpack. Don't forget your passport. It's important. Same thing Bob has. Pajama night, Scarlet night. I'm actually taking 2 outfits for Scarlet night. I'm taking a dinner dress and a pool party outfit.
Ooh.
And I always take like these shoes, comfy shoes for Scarlet night. Guys, I've tried to wear heels on Scarlet night. It's not happening because my feet swell. Not squeezing these sausage feet into high heels. But I do take these comfy wedgies. We fancy dress, Bimini pool, and then I have another little dress for Studio 72. And I put all of my stuff in these handy dandy packing cubes. The thing that I love about packing cubes is you can take them out of your suitcase, put them in the drawer. You don't have to, you know, these things I'll hang up in the closet, but like bathing suit, pajamas, socks, underwear, anything like that, you can keep them in your packing cube and just slide them in the drawer and then you're unpacked. Super easy. And then I also take a water bottle. This is like a medium-sized Stanley, not the big kahuna. This one keeps ice really, really well. We go through a lot of ice on our cruises. So if you want to keep your ice, Stanleys are great for that.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. I wish, but not. So besides like our daily clothes, you know, that we're gonna wear during the day, that's kind of just like our specialty clothes.
That's Virgin specialty.
Yeah,
items.
Virgin specialty clothes that we take.
Yeah.
To maybe give you guys a better idea of.
And just pack comfortable for the rest of the time.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, and you do not have to take any of these things also.
No.
You know, if you're not into dressing up for theme nights or anything like that, don't feel pressured. We do, if you're gonna do one, take something red for Scarlet Night. You will be happy that you did.
Yes, I agree.
Because it's the most fun.
It is fun.
Yeah. So, hope that helps. If you guys have any questions at all about what we take, where we got things, we got most of our like electronic plug-in stuff, things from Amazon.
Yeah, same with the clothes.
Same with the clothes.
So,
yeah, so if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.
yep.
All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button. It really will help us out a lot. Ding the notification bell so you know we post, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
This camera's heavy.
Do you want a shot?
No.
Okay. Ahoy, sailors! Bob and Kelly here. No. Sure you don't want a shot?
Do you need a shot?
No. I'm good.